Hello, hello. Today, we're checking out the new Kylie Cosmetics Power Lush Long Wear Concealer. This dropped a couple of weeks ago and I was like, oh, I need to pick that up, and then I forgot about it. And then I was in Ulta and I was like, oh, we need to do a review on that. So let's jump in the description and get right to it. Okay, this is $27. I got the shade 5W. I was able to swatch it in stores, and actually one of the girls helped me out. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you. There are a bunch of shades, which is really cool. Details: my Power Plush Longwear Concealer is a weightless medium buildable concealer that brightens, blurs, and smooths to a natural satin finish. Its hydrating formula offers flexible and highly comfortable wear with a cushiony soft feel for up to 12 hours. This crease-proof, cake-free, multi-purpose concealer covers under eye circles, dark spots, and redness, and can be used to highlight, bronze, and contour. It's supposed to be 8-hour hydration. This seems like a thicker formula than I was expecting when I just swatched it. This will be interesting. Okay, because I'm doing my concealer technique where I kind of put it all over the face and then blend, we're just gonna do a before, and then we're gonna do an after side by side. Let's just go ahead. I'm very excited about this. Doesn't smell really like anything. So we're just gonna go ahead and dot her on the face. I went a little bit warmer than I usually do. So we'll see how that works out for me. Okay, it swatches super heavy, but I don't feel like it's like heavy on the skin at all. This is the first layer. I feel like it looks nice. It does seem hydrating. I wouldn't say that this is like full coverage. I think it said it was medium. So let's maybe try to build her and see how she goes. Oh God, this is definitely a thick formula. Okay, let's just do a little bit more here, and we're just gonna press to see if we can build this out just a little bit. It doesn't seem to be building very well. Well, not that it's like not building on top of each other, just not adding much more coverage. Okay, well I need to do the other side just to even it out a little bit. Okay, it looks really nice. I would say that this is more, it definitely said in the description it's medium. I'd say it's medium shifting to light, and I don't know that if you can build it up really. So if you're looking for, which is good with me, you know, I like a light coverage. If you're looking for like a lighter coverage, then this might be good for you. But it looks really nice on the skin, at least in this lighting. So I'm excited about that. It's interesting because it looks like it's hydrating, but it's also like kind of matte right now. Okay, we're gonna throw on just a little bit of powder. See how this plays with powder. We're gonna use the Laura Mercier because it's on my desk. We're gonna powder the whole face. Okay, it seemed to have taken the powder well. I actually think I did pretty good on the shade match. What do you guys think? I actually could have gotten just a hair darker, but we're gonna do bronzer. You know, that's my new thing. So I'm gonna do a little bronzer off camera, and then we're gonna jump into our wear test throughout the day. And you know the drill. I'll be back. I'll let you know my thoughts. Yeah, let's get it going. All right, just finished up the gym, so I probably sweat all this off. I forgot to do an update before I went into the gym, but here's where we're at. I would have to say, this is definitely more of a matte formula than they're claiming. I don't want to say it's like drying, but it's definitely more matte than like hydrating is what they were saying, I believe, on the description. I would say that if you're a little bit more oily, this might be good. It's turning to winter here in Denver, so like this might be a good concealer for me during the summer, but right now it's like a little too drying for me. Overall, I'm like, nah, it's okay. It's not like a bad product, but it's not something that I would like run out to the store and get. Like, it looks nice on the skin. It's kind of more of a matte formula. It's like thicker, but it's a little bit like medium to light. So yeah, like I'm not like totally into it, but it's not a bad product. So that's where I'm at. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this one. Hit that subscribe button. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And I will link down below a playlist to all my other reviews, so you can check those out as well. And thank you again for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.